It's another day here in the command center, JW Solar USA. Well, this is the power we're making right now. We started this morning at 07 800 hours here in Minnesota, and we started putting up to about 0.3 already coming from the array. And this is what is going on right now. So a few minutes later, I'll check back and show you was the prospector, and you guys can see 85% state of charge.
Well, we are back again at 08, almost 900 hours, when we bring in 831 watts, and we already make 0.5 kilowatts, which is a half a kilowatt. 0.5, that's a 500 watt we already put in. And you can see, let me take you back to the specs and see the state of charge. We went up to from 85 to 89% state of charge. You guys can see that's the remaining amp hours on the batteries, and we're filling up the batteries. Then you can hear the fan kicking in. So it's reading 30.0 amps at 21 degrees C. Well, we're bringing 900 watts, very close to kilowatts right now, as the system is generating. It's putting about 33 amps back to the batteries. Alright, we're getting there. Alright, see, subscribe, like, and share from Command Center JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Alright folks, 5 minutes ago I laid the camera. Now we push into 1,000. Just going to continue where I stopped. Ready to go. 1,000 watts, 600 watts already. So almost half a kilowatts already in to the batteries. Now we're sitting at 1,000 at 1 kilowatt. At a kilowatt, okay. You can hear the fan roaring back and forth because the controller is getting warm. And it's bringing about 36 amps, 37 amps to the batteries. So we're climbing, bringing more kilowatts into the system. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and share. Alright folks, 5 minutes again. Came back and checked, 5-10 minutes. And this is the power, 1100. So every 5-10 minutes there's a rapid change. And the time is just past 9 going 10 o'clock. So we're gonna be hitting the 1200 soon here at a kilowatt. So this is the power, and this is how the system is working, and we're generating power right here at JW Solar USA. Summer will be fun, way fun, with a lot of power. 40 amps coming in back to the batteries, and we're still powering the house, trying to replenish from last night, and recovering the batteries. Pretty soon we're gonna be going on absorb, and from there we're gonna go on float. Alright folks, I'll get back to you where as soon as we go back up with the kilowatts, then I'll come back and show you. Alright, take care. Bye for now. Subscribe, like, and share. As I mentioned earlier, see that 29.4, and we went on absorb. Set the batteries right, do your assignment right, and everything is gonna work perfectly for you. Look at that. And we are now on absorb at just 700 watt. All the power is just gonna be wasting now, turning all kind of thing. We're doing laundry right now, we're still pushing that kind of power. Okay, we're doing laundering and other things are happening. The batteries are now getting there, pressurizing the batteries, and this is just an awesome day. This is what is coming in from the command center, JW Solar USA, making power. Well, 1500 watts. See, we went back, we put a heavy load. Machine is working, dryer is running. Started pulling power back, so we dropped into bulk mode instead of absorb. We were there earlier. It's 900 watts coming in. 900 watts already generated. One more 100 watts, we're gonna make a kilowatt, and bringing 54 amps to the batteries. Take care and have a nice day. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching.
Alright folks, as you guys can see, the machine is resonating so hard that it's doing some spinning here. The wash is almost getting done, and the dryer is going through all with the nice new machines. You guys can see I have my laundry on top of it. Look at that machine shaking, vibrating. Much clothes in there. So I've been doing a lot of laundering, folks. I've been doing a lot of laundering. So all this laundering here, all stuff right here, and all cool stuff. Whole bunch of laundering I'm doing in the winter, and putting things away. A whole bunch of stuff in the laundry room, where you guys can see how everything is going here. And this is how the power is being generated into the system, from the system, doing all the laundering. Brand new machines, and they're working hard. Put them to work. Put them to work. So you see, so I hope you can understand how the video explaining everything, how everything is going. So pulling power. That machine is resonating really hard, and it's doing the final. So see that? So this is what is going on right here, and we're saving a whole bunch of power running through solar. All right, folks, get back to you. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share to the video, and share my channel on JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all.